Most people think that sleeping on your stomach is the worst position for your body as it places your neck, shoulders, and back in a compromised position. Although this is true, side sleepers might be sleeping in a way that is just as bad as sleeping on the stomach. This video will address how sleeping on your side could be terrible for your body and a few simple tweaks to make sure that your sleep experience is not only pain-free, but restorative for the next day ahead. Now I know what you're thinking, Logan, I sleep on my side and I feel completely fine. And although this may be the case, you are likely not taking into consideration 3 specific ways your body is oriented when you sleep on your side. If left alone, this could lead to many imbalances in your body, which of course can increase pain and decrease strength and mobility. Let's take a look at what's going wrong. Now, if you take a look at myself in the video and your side sleeping experience looks exactly like it, there was 3 huge errors: your leg placement, your hip placement, and your shoulder placement. And if left unchanged, these 3 areas could become so painful and unbalanced that you may find it hard to walk. Let's take a look at how your body should be placed. But before we get to that, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos helping you sleep better, regardless of how you think, look, and move in life. Now for leg placement, the last thing you want to do is have your legs scrunched up close to your chest, mimicking the fetal position. This tightens the muscles at the front of the hips, which are usually very tight from sitting all day already. Instead, try stretching your legs out very slightly so they are still bent at the knee and hip, but much less than before. And although this is a good place to start, we still need to address hip alignment. And when you sleep on your side, your legs are stacked on top of another. Unfortunately, this puts your pelvis in a slightly compromised position, which can lead to imbalance in the hip area and even pain long term. To put your pelvis in a more neutral position, try placing a pillow between the legs. Combined with our change in leg placement, your side sleeping experience will already be much better, but there is still one more thing to consider. Now here's the deal when looking at shoulder placement. Most people experience shoulder impingement and pain at the front of their shoulder in their life. Side sleeping, where you are putting all of your force down on your shoulder, can make this much worse. To fix this, simply tilt your body backward a tiny bit, allowing the down shoulder to be forward with no pressure on it. Following this advice and combining every single side sleeping tweak will keep your body refreshed and ready to take on the rest of the day. And in addition to this, if you are dealing with neck pain, I am going to link below an excellent cervical pillow designed to help alleviate neck and shoulder tension as well. And if you don't want to do that, feel free to check out the next video on sleep habits that I picked out just for you. I'm brushing away.